Ultra Safety Plus Twist from Septodont. How to use guide. Remove the sterile syringe section from the protective envelope by tearing it in the middle. Grip the barrel firmly and insert the cartridge into the open end. Slide the plunger to the end of the handle, making sure the O-ring is fully covered. Align the pins of the handle with the notches of the barrel and then push until fully inserted. When the handle is fully inserted, twist it clockwise to lock the barrel. Slide the protective sheath backwards towards the handle until it covers the pins. Carefully remove the needle cap, pulling it straight without rotating, and discard it. The device is now ready to use. The Ultra Safety Plus Twist is a self-aspirating syringe. There is a small protuberance at the bottom of the barrel. This depresses the cartridge diaphragm throughout the injection procedure. When injection pressure is released, the diaphragm will return to its normal position, causing back pressure in the needle, resulting in aspiration. You can also self-aspirate with the Ultra Safety Plus Twist. The pliable O-ring on the shaft of a syringe creates a vacuum. When the handle is pulled back, the cartridge bung follows the piston, providing active aspiration. To replace the cartridge, move the protective sheath to the first holding position, ensure that the plunger is fully retracted from the cartridge, and rotate the handle anti-clockwise. Then carefully pull the two components straight apart until the pins escape from the notches. Do not attempt to separate the handle from the syringe without first unlocking. Reinsert the plunger with the silicone O-ring into the base of the cartridge and pull to remove. A new cartridge may then be inserted. Do not reuse the Ultra Safety Plus Twist injection device with several cartridges to avoid performance issues, such as cannula penetration, self-aspiration, and cannula breakage. When your procedure is over, slide the protective sheath forward into the final locking position. It will click when the final position is reached and the device is now safely locked. Twist and remove the handle from the barrel, ensuring you keep it straight. The syringe and the cartridge can be safely disposed of in the sharps bin. White single-use handles should be disposed of with medical waste, and the blue reusable handles can be reprocessed in line with the manufacturer's instructions. Ultra Safety Plus Twist troubleshooting. If unloading is required, unlock the handle and separate carefully. Do not attempt to snap the syringe out of the handle by bending. Ensure that it is unlocked and pulled straight apart. Do not bend. Do not hold the hub of the syringe to a line bevel indicator, as you may unlock the syringe. Ultra Safety Plus Twist from Septodont.